Welcome back to our fashion designing series. Today we have a fantastic topic to delve into color theory in fashion designing. Color plays a vital role in fashion as they can evoke emotion, set moods and make powerful statements. In this video, we will explore the basics of color theory and how you can apply it in the stunning and impactful design. So let's dive right into it. Before we start discussing color theory, it's essential to understand the color wheel, which is the fundamental tool for fashion designer. The color wheel consists of primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, which are arranged into the circular format. To create the color theory, I'm taking the poster color, which is available in the market. This is the most you can get it easily in the market, the poster color, the 6 color poster colors, and we're going to create our own color wheel. Now let's see about primary colors. Primary colors includes red, blue and yellow. Now I'm going to apply the primary colors in the color wheel. Now we are going to see about the secondary colors such as green, purple and orange. These colors can be created by mixing the primary colors. Now let us see how to mix the colors and apply it. I always recommend a beginner to make the own color wheel because you know how to mix the color in the proper proportion and you know where you can make a changes. Color wheel are also available in the market, but making your own color wheel will teach you how to create new colors. The final topic is tertiary colors. It's formed by combining the primary and the secondary colors. The tertiary colors are also known as intermediate colors. I'm fast forwarding the video. You can go to your setting and lower your playback speed. Now we have completed our color wheel and it's time to learn about tint, shade and tone. So basically applying white color to the color or the base color, it's to reduce its shade is known as tint. As you can see, now I'm showing the example for the tint color like I have made with all the colors. I have increased the white gradually so you can know the difference between the starting and the end color. So that's the tint. Now let's talk about tone. Tone is actually adding gray color to your base color is tone. It creates a little darker but not more darker. A little darker version of your original shade is known as tone. Now let's talk about shade. Shade is basically adding black color to your base color is known as shade. Shade is actually used to create shadows and the darker area of the illustrations. That is why where the shades are used. After completing our color theory, now we are going to see what are the warm colors and the cold colors. The warm colors are red violet, red, red orange, orange, yellow orange and yellow. Whereas the cold colors are violet, blue, blue green, green and yellow green. This is the other way of creating the color wheel. I'm showing you the two example of the color wheel. You can make it however you want. You have to make the color wheel according to your understanding. Now let's talk about harmonious color scheme. Harmonious color schemes involve selecting colors that naturally complement each other, creating and pleasing the balanced visual effect. Some popular harmonious color schemes are monochromatic. This scheme used variation of a single color, creating a sophisticated and elegant look. Analogous colors are adjacent to each other in the color wheel and produce the harmonious color palette. Complementary colors. Complementary colors die directly opposite in each other in the color wheel. Pairing them creates the vibrant and the energetic contrast. Tragic color scheme involves three equally spaced color on the color wheel. It offers the dynamic and visually applying combination. That brings us to the end of our exploring into color theory in fashion designing. Remember, color have the power to tell stories, evoke emotions, and makes a lasting impact. By understanding the color theory and experimenting with different combination, you can create a captivity design that leaves a lasting impression. For the more fashion designing content, subscribe and press the bell icon.